Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 3008. In this video I'll show you how to use speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look behind the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To activate speed limiter, twist this part of the lever once upwards and now press set button. Press set plus to increase speed, set minus to decrease speed limit. To activate it, press pause button. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.